let's consider the equation negative x plus 4y equals 8. Now, if x is 0, then what does y have to be? Okay, well, that's pretty easy to work out. Let's rewrite the equation, but we're going to replace the x with 0 because x is 0 in this scenario. Okay, so we have negative 0. Okay, that's just 0 plus 4y equals 8. You could leave that plus 0 off, right? Because 0 plus 4y is just going to be 4y. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And that will give me 2. So if x is 0, then y comes out to be 2. The ordered pair that results from that, remember an ordered pair is written as x comma y. The ordered pair here would be 0 comma 2. Okay, now, what about we take that same equation and we figure out what does x have to be if y is 1? Okay, we'll do the same thing in that we'll rewrite the equation again. Negative x plus 4 times y equals 8. But in this case, y is 1. So I'll just replace y with 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. So this is going to become negative x plus 4 is equal to 8. Now I'll subtract 4 from both sides. Negative x equals 4. Okay, that's an understood negative 1 in front of that x, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. So when y is 1, x has to be negative 4. The ordered pair that results here, again, it's x comma y, so negative 4 comma 1. Okay, so this equation can form a line. Here are 2 points that would be on that line, 0, 2, and negative 4, 1. Okay, so 0, 2, right here. Okay, start at the center and then go, wait, it's positive 2, right? Okay, 0 up 2, not down 2. Okay, and then negative 4, 1. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1. So that would be right here. Okay, so here are our 2 points. So there's a line that passes through those 2 points. I'm not very good at drawing lines, but there we go, something like that. And you'll notice that any point along that line would work for this equation. In other words, you can plug in the x and the y values, and you would have plug in x and y here, and it would come out to equal 8. Okay, so any point along that line would work. Okay, there we go.